Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play FIFA 23 and it's not working. I was trying to play FIFA 23 but all I see is bunch of errors. Now let me show you. When you try to load up the game, all you see is bunch of errors like this. So you can't able to load into the EA servers, can't able to enter into the EA servers. And you know what guys? This error is particularly occurring to this group of people, a specific group of people, and all you see is FIFA 23 and you got this error. You can't get move forward the screen, and this is particularly the error. Something went wrong with this game or app. Today in this video I have got some important solution. I'll be providing the exact update, the workarounds fix suggested by the EA FIFA direct communication. Yesterday they have suggested one workaround and now let's check it out, the latest update, what they have to say, the latest fix, the official fix about it. So let's get right into it. So heading on to the Twitter, let's check it out whether this problem is global or what. And definitely I can see the trend. FIFA 23 is not working. People are reporting, many people are suggesting that the FIFA 23 has some kind of issue. FIFA 23 for PS5 still not working. FIFA 23 not working in PS5 fixed it. And most importantly, this particular issue is occurring due to the recent update, the recent patch that they have done. I'll get to the detail in a moment. And speaking of the error, if you try to load up the FIFA 23, all you get is something went wrong with this game or app, and unfortunately you can't able to load the game. Now definitely there was a recent update 12, which went live in the FIFA 23, providing gamers with multiple fixes in certain in-game issues. However guys, the reverse of that actually happened, and the patch apparently has caused a common issues into the community where people even can't able to load up the game. FIFA 23 keeps crashing, and there are numerous users reporting the crash after the updating the game. And you know what, this is EA's desperate attempt to fix the game, but unfortunately the reverse of that happened. Currently the update 12 had no such a maintenance schedule, but you know what, gamers are now reporting it has got several issues while trying to log into online modes into the game. And what is the definite fix for this? Let's check it out. So the latest update 12 addresses following issues. You can go through and read it for yourself, but it is trying to fix the in-game issues. They have made multiple changes. Now let's check out the latest update from the FIFA direct communication. This is the FIFA 23 updates from the game developers itself. So let's check out whether there is any official solution for this problem or not. Speaking of the update, on to 9th of the May, they are kind of pumped regarding this update 12. They have tweeted out they'll be soon dropping out the update on PC, PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S for the FIFA 23. They have also released the full patch notes for this one, and they have not released any sort of a maintenance schedule regarding that. And speaking of the latest update guys, here you can see 21 hours ago, this is their latest tweet as of right now I can see, and they have clearly acknowledged that they are investigating reports of some users experiencing stability issues when they are trying to launch the FIFA 23 on PlayStation 5 with the latest update 12. In fact, they have got this Trello page. So here you can see PS5 unable to enter into the main menu after connecting to EA servers while friend list is greater than 100. And now let me get to the solution part of this one. This is suggested by the FIFA direct communication guys, so hear this. Now speaking of the details, when a player's PlayStation 5 friend list has more than 100 friends, players can't enter into the main menu after connecting to EA servers while title update 12 is installed. So if you got title update 12 and you are trying to connect with the EA servers and you got more than 100 friends, then unfortunately you can't be able to load into the EA server. So that's the main issue guys. And speaking of the workaround guys, they have suggested you need to reduce your PS5 friend list to 100 or less friends and relaunch the game. Also let me show you the latest tweets as they have tweeted out. This is the workaround. In the workaround they have suggested reduce your PS5 friends list to 100 or less friends and then relaunch your FIFA 23. So that's a very important workaround that they have provided. Now obviously this workaround is not the perfect solution because you know what, deleting all of your friends, and for some people at least still it's not working. So possible scenario could be your friends list may not be less than 100, so that's the reason why your game is still not working. So make sure you delete your friend list and make sure your friends at least should be less than 100. And now let's say say you got 1000 friends, then how you can delete them? Well, that's a kind of difficult scenario, but you know what? You can probably able to create a new account. That's a possible easy solution I can suggest. And people are still doubting whether it really works for PS5 to removing all those friends, or it's just not worthwhile to do this. Let me tell you guys, as far as from lot of reports, people are suggesting, I can clearly see that at least for 90% of the people it has worked. More than 90% of the people are happy with the fix. If you remove the friends list less than 99, then it will definitely work and you can log into EA servers. If this solution has worked for you, do let me know in the comments down below so other people can know it. Also, do suggest me any other solution, other alternatives if you got any. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.